How you going, guys? So I just finished making this hammer handle, as you'll see on the other videos, about making a hammer handle. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to reshape the end of this just to clean it up a little bit. It's pretty... come on. It's not the best. I've blunted it off. I'm just going to clean it up a bit more, make it a bit nicer. What I'll do is I'll probably run my little angle die grinder across it a few times, just try and smooth it out, and then I'll probably use the DA and just run it around the DA when I get the DA running. Just try and tidy it up a little bit, and I might just run across this surface with the DA as well. And then at some point I'll give it a bit of a polish up. But yeah, I made that handle there in about 30 minutes and just gave it a quick burn off with the blowtorch. So made it from that. So if you want to go watch that video, I'll leave a description in the or leave a link to in the description. I might possibly put it up there if I can remember how to do that, because I haven't done that for a long time. But yeah, so I'll give this a clean up. Put some earplugs in. Grind it. Might take you away from the compressor a little bit, just so it's not quite so noisy, but it'll still be noisy anyway. Righty. So what I want to do with this one is I want to get a nice, see if I can get a fairly good dome on this. Not really aggressive, not like a ball peen or anything like that, but I just want to get a fairly good roll. I started doing that, you can see, I started doing that sort of over there. I sort of rounded it off because it was fairly flat. But I want just something a wee bit more roundy. So if I'm going up underneath these guards, not knocking little dents out, I haven't got too much of an edge. So what I'm going to do is just going to really round that off and try and get a bit more shape in it. So here we go. Crank that back up again. That'll work. Yeah. That'll work. Wasn't in there dead true, but close enough. So hopefully we can, come on, stop focusing on the background. That's reasonably roundy now. I might just take a little bit more off that edge. Wait. Okay, that'll do. Not sure how much you've seen of that, but hope you can see that. Just got a nice radius on there. So probably all I really need to do now, where are we? So all I probably need to do now is just run over with the DA sand and just clean it up. And give that a light clean up as well. And we'll be right. I'll make another handle up for the other one, for this one. Let the egg blows out. So, as you can probably see, it's just got a nice little soft dome on it now. Like it's not flat. It's probably just a little bit in there, but like it's just got a nice soft dome on it now. So that'd be nice for just getting up underneath those really rolled guards and not having to worry about so much like something like that. If you can compare the two, this is a lot more rounded on the edge, whereas this is a bit more flat. So you might still dig in, like you still might end up with getting into the steel and actually putting a dent in it when you're trying to flatten out a mark from the inside, like because that roll you might dig into it. Well, this here is going to be sort of rounded off on enough on the edges where you hopefully won't do that. If it does, I'll just pull it back a bit more, but yeah, that'll do. I'll make my other handle up. I won't worry about showing that on video, but yeah. Alrighty, cheers. Alrighty, so after making these handles, just to finish them up. So they're nice, look good. I might give them another light rub, but we'll call them done. I actually had to re-hang that again because I put it on. I was giving it a sand up and gave it a whack on the bit of a end of a post there just to make sure it was solid. And I don't know, for some reason, well, obviously when I either put the head on or put the wedge in it, it must had a weak piece of wood in there, and when I gave it a whack it just broke off. So I was like, oh well. So it's a little bit shorter than the other one by, I don't know, half an inch or a bit more. What does it matter? It doesn't matter much. But anyway, so yeah, I just shape down the end of it, bang the wedge out, put the piece on, and gave another quick burn at the end, and gave another quick sand up. So all good. 2 hammers to go. And that's that one. I re-radiused the end of it a bit. So yeah, sweet, done. 2 more hammers. Okay, you're good at making people have hammer fetishes anyway.